Hey there, it's Laura. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel and welcome to my disaster of a bedroom. In this video, my husband and I are going to not only clean this mess, but rearrange this mess. We have a small bedroom and we're trying to change it up a little bit to make it feel bigger, if that's even possible. Okay, so when you walk into our bedroom, our bed is against this wall. We have a small bedroom and we're gonna just try mixing it up and we're gonna see what happens if we rotate where the bed is against this wall. It might feel too claustrophobic, it might feel great, but the reason we wanna do this is because our bed stands and everything, it feels really tight. You can see like the headboard is like as tall as it can possibly be before the wall slants up. If you are new to my channel, this is my husband Bruno. He does not like being in videos, so you won't see much of him on my channel, but he is kind of important in this video because I cannot move all of this furniture without him. And right now we're just moving everything across the hall into my daughter's room. A lot of these items we don't need in our bedroom. Like that vanity was too tight in there, so we're moving it into her room for now, but ultimately we're gonna find a new home for a lot of these things in hopes that it helps make our room feel a little less tight since we do have limited space. From a feng shui perspective, we're kind of screwed with this bedroom. I was reading online how the foot of your bed should not face the door. So that's a brownie point, I guess you could say, with this transformation, because that's now not going to be the case. But also with feng shui, that your bed should not be in a location where it's directly in line with the door. And that is what we're doing by flipping our bed to be on the wall closest to the door. We don't have much space and we can't really change the square footage, so it is what it is. This is what 2 years of having our room looking, well, you backed into a lot of it. That's like 2 years of gross dust. Our dresser has been in the same position since we moved into this house about 2 years ago, and the same deal with our bed. We have not rearranged at all since moving in. So it is gross, the amount of dust and clutter that is hidden under there. I'm not proud of what we're about to show you, what lies behind the bed. We got some water bottles. Bruno, that Mickey Mouse sippy cup. Who knows what is in there? Oh, these are fun. These are like little fake snowballs that the dog loves. Water, tons of dust. Looks like a champagne cork. Classy. Okay, all right. Moving on. So we've had our bedroom furniture well before we bought this house. Our previous apartment, it was a townhouse style, and we had a large master bedroom, much bigger than our current master bedroom. And actually when we moved in, we had to saw our bed frame in half because there was no way to get it up our stairs. They were too narrow. So for a while we were just not bed frame, our box spring, that's what we had to saw in half. So for a while our mattress was just laying like sagging into the bed until we could get that box spring basically sawed in half and then re-nailed together. It was such a do-it-yourself project gone wrong, but we do love our house. Our house was built in the 1950s, so it's an older house. It's got the it's a cape, so it's got the slanted ceiling. I forget what that's called. A dormer? I don't know. I'm a bad homeowner, but even though the room was small, we actually fell in love with this house because the first floor has a big open floor plan. It has an amazing backyard, and it's just got that great setup for entertaining and having family over, and that's like really what's most important to us in a home. So having a small bedroom was just, it wasn't a deal breaker at all. There were a lot of benefits to this house, and we love it. Being in New England, Massachusetts specifically, It is hard to find a home in a first-time home buyer's budget that is not a fixer-upper, so we were really lucky. With this home, there wasn't too many projects. I mean, there's still always an ongoing list of projects, but it was a home we could move right into, which was important because we bought this house when I was 8 months pregnant. So it was a whirlwind, crazy, I don't know, it was just chaos. So, 2 years later, we're getting around to really finally making it feel like a home in terms of decorations and switching up furniture. And I don't know, right now we're going through our bedside tables, which are just filled to the brim with everything. So many cards and junk, to be honest with you, things that we don't need. And we just got to clean it, declutter, and that's really an ongoing project, is just getting this house to be decluttered and to be livable and, yeah, make it our dream home from what we have right now. Look at this. My old BlackBerry.
They don't make those anymore.
It was a I'm sure it's not everyone's style to have your bed like bam right there as you walk through the door, but this has actually been a really great option for us. It feels much better when you walk in and the bed is made and there's not a pile of clothes on the floor right there the first moment you walk in. I am messy. I'm working on that. I'm trying to do my best to be clean, but let's be real, baby steps. So this is definitely a good transformation for us, and I'm glad we made the switch. We've had our bedroom facing this way for about a week and a half now, and I love it. I really do. I like that you can see the doors wide open right over there. It definitely feels much better this direction, which I know we have a small bedroom, but it is what it is, and this makes a huge difference. So loving it. Have a lot more decor to do, so yeah, you'll probably see another room tour at some point because there is a lot to fix up in this small little space. But thanks for watching. I appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up, and if you subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Have a great night or day, or whenever you're watching this. I'm about to go to bed, but have a good one, and see you in the next video.